Muscle cars. We all know the image. Loud, powerful, American beasts that dominated the streets in the 1960s and 70s. But what if we told you there was a surprise contender in the muscle car arena? In 1977, Toyota unleashed a sleeper hit, the 1977 Toyota Celica LT2000. This wasn't your average Japanese import. This Celica packed a serious punch and offered a surprisingly thrilling driving experience. But beneath those sleek lines lies a true gem. A 2.0-liter 18 RC engine lurks within, pumping out a respectable 135 horsepower. Enough to propel this lightweight machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a very quick 8.6 seconds. Remember, this is 1,977. While the numbers might not seem earth-shattering today, in its time, the Celica LT2000 was a true performance bargain. Climb inside the Celica cockpit, and you're greeted by a Spartan yet purposeful environment. Everything is designed to connect you to the car and the road. This wasn't a luxury car. It was a driver's dream come true. Owning a 1977 Toyota Celica LT2000 isn't just about driving a car. It's about experiencing a piece of automotive history. It's a testament to Toyota's engineering prowess and a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected cars can become true muscle car legends. The 1977 Toyota Celica may not be the first car that comes to mind when you think muscle car, but it more than deserves a place in the conversation. It's a reminder that muscle came in all shapes and sizes, and that Japan had a surprise contender in the game. So, the next time you think muscle car, remember the 1977 Toyota Celica. It may be a Japanese import, but it packs a punch and offers a pure, driver-focused experience that rivals its American counterparts. Let us know in the comments below what surprised you most about the 1977 Toyota Celica LT2000. Did you know about its muscle car potential? What unexpected car do you think deserves more recognition?